How to return items on Lazada for a refund online 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There are multiple categories for returning a product in Lazada. As you can see on their official help center, it says there is an option called return, refund or exchange policy. So for return policy, if you click on that, it says what's the return policy for change of mind. So the return policy of change of mind allows you to return an item if it does not suit you or if you wish to reorder it in a different variant. And if we click on the return process, how you can return it, I need to return an item, evidence needed. So if we click on here, so we can see that all items in Lazada are covered by your money back guarantee. Before filing a request, make sure that your request falls under the allowed return reasons listed below. So it can be change of mind, it can be missing accessories or freebies, items is defective or not working as intended, or item physically damaged upon opening parcel, wrong items delivered, and item or quality doesn't match description or picture, and counterfeit items, outer packaging of the item is damaged. So for that you have to go on the account of Lazada and click view all orders, select the item you want to return and tap refund. As you can see, you just have to click on return or refund and then return item through one of their return partners and wait for the seller or warehouse to complete evaluation. So they will just check it, and once evaluation is done and the refund request is approved, wait for the refund to be credited to your account, and the amount will be credited to your account, and a delivery man will come to your doors and pick up the product from you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.